Hi everyone, this is Heidi, and this week I would like you to use your imagination and think about all the different foods that we eat that come from annual vegetables. So I want you to imagine sort of this pretend vegetable that you've planted the seed in your garden and it grows and the sprout comes up. And so there are some plants that we eat as sprouts, right? Like microgreens or pea shoots. We actually eat the sprouts, and then if we don't pick them, they keep growing and they become kind of leafy. And those are the plants that we eat the greens of, like maybe beets or kale or lettuce. And then imagine that plant growing even more. So like once it's sent out all of its greens, it's probably going to have a blossom. So it'll send out a flower that will bloom and get pollinated. And so those are the flowers that we eat that are edible, like nasturtium or pansies or squash blossoms. So if that flower gets pollinated, then it will turn into the fruit of that vegetable. So those are the things like peppers or tomatoes, or peas or beans. Maybe you can think of some other ones that you eat that are the fruit of the vegetable. So once the fruit has formed, if we don't eat it at that point, it will start to develop the seeds. Oh, my chickens are making noise. It will start to develop the seeds inside that fruit. And so some of the seeds that we eat are at this point, like maybe sunflower seeds, right? Or what other kinds of seeds do we eat? Even the grains that we eat, that's part of the fruit of the grass, the oats or the wheat. So once the seed is formed, then that annual plant dies back. So it brings all of its energy back down to its roots, and everything above ground starts to die back in the fall. And it brings its energy down, all the sugars of the plant go down into the root, and then those are the vegetables that we eat, like carrots or potatoes or beets. And so those are the root vegetables. So that's this one big magical plant, but it's obviously all different types of annual food that we eat. And so I thought we could do a little bit of an investigation and take a meal that you eat and all the things that are plant-based, thought we could dissect it a little bit and see like what are the different ingredients, what part of the cycle of the plant were those ingredients from. So I look forward to hearing how it goes. Have fun.